What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about some popular coins, a certain sector of popular coins that I think needs to have some more attention to. Because if you don't know, when it comes to meme coins, and it comes to even just popular coins, right? There's a lot of dog-like coins that are out there. There's a lot of cat coins that are now being created. And we're also seeing the rise of another sector, another area, which is frog coins. Now, I've mentioned frog coins within one of my latest videos, and I think it was maybe a month ago, talking about different projects, and I wanted to maybe dive into something that is a little more early stages. Right? That's what people are asking. Is like, look, I don't really want something that's worth a crazy amount, but if you can add in there some things that may not be worth as much and have the potential chance to run, obviously that would be great. Now, take everything with a grain of salt because it's all subjective, right? Everything that I'm talking about within these projects could be, massive, right? Just based on, what I'm seeing within it. But it also might not be as aggressive, right? Might not be worth a crazy amount like some of the others that are out there. So I'm going to talk about some projects in this video. We're going to go through it from small to largest project, and we're going to talk about what are the benefits and what I see as an expectation when it comes to the overall market cap that we can get to. So if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of the videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below for the projects that I will have down there. The ones that are kind of higher scale, obviously we don't really need as much information on. But the ones that are more lower scale, we do need a little bit more information on. So feel free to check out those links down below. Now, let's go ahead and dive into this. I think we're going to start with one project that's sitting at about a $2 or $3 million market cap. This project was brought across my desk, and there's also a bunch of other frog coins that are out there that you guys can dive into, and the purpose of this video is really just to give you that incentive to kind of jump into other projects that are out there, not just ones that are at the top 100 or top 200. It may be outside of that, and you may have an opportunity to make millions upon millions of dollars, or double, triple, quadruple, 10x, 100x your money based on these lower projects that are starting out here. So the project that I want to talk about here to start is Croak. Croak is a frog coin that was brought to me just recently. It currently sits at 14% of a penny. We're seeing it actually in the last day. You can see how it has kind of risen quite a bit from this low level here of 13% of a penny up to 14% of a penny. So definitely seeing a little bit of an increase there. In the last 24 hours, it is down by 1% though, if you wanted to go through that data. But if we go through the information over here on the side, it currently stands at a $2.85 million market cap. We're also looking at a circulating supply of 2 billion coins. You see liquidity of about 500,000. So for just getting started, and the fact that they're at a $2 million or $3 million market cap, you definitely have quite a bit of popularity, as well as having that security with that liquidity. If you look at the last 24 hours in volume, it's not really seeing a crazy amount of volume, and that's where things need to see a little bit more of an impact. And if you can see that more of an impact, you could see it push up a lot more. We've seen these happen time and time again. Now, 100% of the circulating supply is out there. Again, with just a little bit of a push, you're worth quite a bit more, and it pushes up to a 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, $10 million market cap. So this could be one of those that you could see absolutely skyrocket, absolutely make a move, and not necessarily like, going from a billion to 40 billion, right? It's necessarily just going from 3 million to 30 million, which honestly is a standard level for something that does become very popular, and then you see it continue to grow from there. You're looking at a 10x up to just a $30 million market cap. These are the things that I've been opening my eyes to, and I've actually been making a decent amount of profit with some projects that are at these lower end market caps that actually have quite a bit of a push to it, that are spending money on marketing, that are doing so much for their community as a whole. Like, if we just go through a list of some things that they do have that's happening right now, right? $1.1 million in volume that they saw. You have a token gated channel on Discord, a strong community, over 20,000 people across socials, partnerships with 10 native and multi-chain DApps. You have a total community raised over $100,000 to participate in the surge. So they have a lot of things that are going for them. And again, it is still early stages. I'm not going to say that it's happening right now, but it's early stages, which means that if you find that, you could potentially see that push up to a whole nother level. So definitely check out any of the links down below for that. But let's go into the next position, which I actually just talked about recently, which is PEIPEI. I just talked about this yesterday, and this is a project that honestly has been, shocking me, even though like I see potential in things, but when things actually happen, it just still shocks me because it's great to see things work out in your favor. Now, honestly, I've been seeing a lot of those happen lately, but it's still just a blessing in disguise when you see it make moves. It's currently up 3% today. You're seeing it at an $81.7 million market cap with $14.8 million worth of volume. This is something that's seeing a lot of volume now. And as time goes on, just like I said with the last one, you have more exchanges, you have more traction, you have more popularity, and you see more and more volume that comes in. Currently sitting at an $81 million market cap. It's basically at the same spot where you look at, a Pepe or a BOME and where that is going and how that has skyrocketed when you saw other exchanges that are offered there. This has 18% volume to market cap ratio. I've been, kind of excited about this one as I was researching it previous for the full video. Everything just kept coming back to me as like, oh, this is a positive, this is a positive, this is a positive. And things have just been looking good. From the first time that I researched it, it was at a $60 million market cap, went up to now an $80 million market cap to where we are today. So again, not 100% a given that it's going to explode. It's just something that I see within my view, in my tunnel vision here, because there are a lot of other frog coins outside of the vision that I have that could obviously take off as well. And if you have one, feel free to put it down below. The next play that I want to talk about is one that's at a little bit higher of a market cap. It's at a $735 million market cap, and it's BOME, right? Since we saw a little bit of a decrease over the last 7 days, this is kind of opening up an opportunity to where now you can have BOME for a cheaper price. And this is around my cost basis of where I purchased it. But we're looking at $204 million worth of volume. So you're seeing that level of popularity. You're seeing that volume. You're really hype about where that's going. 26% volume to market cap ratio and all of the supply that's out there. This is something that really led me to this project, and the fact that it has all of these markets available. It has a tier 1 exchange, right? It has an S tier exchange. It has multiple tier 1 exchanges. You're looking at 133 other pairings that you do have. So the popularity, the volume, the ability to grab it is there. That's why I'm hype about that play, and that's why I have about, I think, $4,000 or $5,000 worth of BOME, because I feel as though this is going to be worth a lot more than where it stands at a $734 million market cap. Now, the last project that I want to get into is a project that you all know that I don't really have to go into a crazy amount of detail for, but I wanted to talk about it because it is the frog coin. And that project is Pepe, right? Very simple. Pepe sits at a $5.7 billion market cap. And you're probably like, how does this have room to explode? It already increased up to a $7 or $6 billion market cap and even further. Well, understand that this is not it. We haven't even seen altcoin season take off. So to say that Pepe is done where it stands is ridiculous. Pepe is going to be worth at least a $42 billion market cap. And I know you're probably like, it's a meme coin. It shouldn't be worth that much. We've seen meme coins that have been worth that much. We know that this altcoin season is going to be a lot more popular than the last altcoin season. We know that there's right now a lot of projects, meme projects, that are in the billions, and some have to set themselves apart, which I think Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have already set themselves apart when it comes to the next line, this bull run's official meme coins. You're probably going to have Pepe up there at the top of the list, if not at the top of the list, the top of the top cryptocurrency for this bull run when it comes to percentage wise, growth wise, all of that, up to a 42, if not even double that, to an $80 billion market cap. I can't wait to see what this growth ends up being. I only have about $400 or $500 worth or something like that. I don't have a lot. I didn't invest a lot. That's because I hit it late. I found it late. But if I would have been a part of it a lot sooner, I mean, right now I could obviously be a part of it and still see a level of like a 5x return on it. But it's just every time I see more opportunity in others that are there. So like XRP, I see a huge amount of opportunity. Jasmine Coin, I see a huge amount. I just continue to invest money into there, right? Into XRP and other places. And I'm honestly done buying new cryptocurrencies. I don't want to buy any more cryptocurrencies, but if I see a small opportunity, I'll invest a small amount of money, right? Or a big opportunity, I invest a small amount of money to see that large opportunity. Anyways, let me know what you think about these frog coins. Again, we'll go through the list. It's Croak. It's Pepe. It's Book of Meme, and then Pepe, right? All of those in order from a $3 million market cap up to a $6 billion market cap. Feel free to check out my links down below for all of these projects. The ones that are lower scale, you'll have more information. The ones that are higher scale, just coin market cap. That's all you really need, honestly. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.